Hi, I'm Ben from Meta Solutions. I'm the director here, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can get to position 1 in Google Ads without paying more. I guarantee if you watch this video right to the end, grasp onto the things I'm going to tell you about quality score, you're going to get to be a Google master. So first things first, what is quality score? Well, it's a major part of the ad rank. What's ad rank? Come on. Well, let's look at it, right? You want to be number 1. That means you've got to have the best ad rank score. So I'm going to put some maths on the screen. Hope you're good at maths. Firstly, ad rank, AR, equals the bid, so what you're actually offering in terms of money, multiplied by your quality score. So if your quality score is 4 out of 10, so we've got a really competitive keyword, $46 a click. Do you like that one? Great. $46 times 4 out of 10 gives us an ad rank value of, what does that mean? Well, on its own, nothing. But when you're looking at the ad auction, which is how Google compares one ad to another, it's very important. So along comes an agency like Meta Solutions, and we end up with a quality score of 8 out of 10 instead. Now, in order for us, with a quality score of 8 out of 10, to beat, what do we have to pay? Well, do the maths. Just solve for X. It's $23. Well, and a cent, because Google wants that little boost. They want just a little bit more in order for us to beat the other one. But hang on, we're paying $23.01, they're paying $46. We're position 1, they're position 2. That doesn't seem fair. Yeah, but it is. Because the quality score is the way that the three-sided market of Google AdWords is focused on giving the visitor, giving the user who's searching what they want. Think about it. You've got 3 people in the market. You've got Google selling ads. You've got us, we want to buy ads. And then you've got this person in the middle who wants the best answer and the best result, and they want to make an inquiry. Now, Google doesn't want to be showing ads to those people any more than they have to. They want to show as few ads as possible and get as many clicks as possible. So if our click-through rate is high, we're going to get a better quality score. So click-through rate is a big component of quality score. The next component of quality score we really want to think about is expected click-through rate, right? So it's not just the click-through rate itself, it's really expected click-through rate. If we're number 1 and we don't get many clicks, then we get demoted, because being number 1, we should get tons of clicks. But if we get to number 2, number 3, say number 3, and we get more click-throughs than are expected for somebody at number 3, then we'll actually get a higher quality score. So if you work on getting a better click-through rate, you will get a better quality score. You need to take care to think about expected click-through rate and really make sure that if you're going for the top position, number 1, you've really got the very best ad, getting the best clicks. Another factor about getting the very best out of a number 1 spot is that you need to have ad extensions. So you need to think, what is it that people are searching for this particular term? What are they looking for? Do they need site links? Do they need to have some location extensions? Are they looking for some reviews, other kind of information, so that it signifies that you really are the best person to be clicking on here and now? That will really improve your quality score. Now, this stuff isn't immediate, because Google is using the data from the humans, the people in the middle who are actually transacting and visiting, getting to your website. Those people are informing Google's algorithm about whether your website's any good. And that brings us to the last step in terms of the quality score, what makes up quality score. And that's the landing page. So when they land on the landing page, are you persuading them or are you repelling them? When they visit the web page, if it's really slow and it's not clear and it doesn't align with what was said in the ad, then people will leave. Now, their world doesn't change, right? They still wanted the thing that they searched in Google for. So who are they clicking on? Well, not you again. They'll click on somebody else. Google gets some clicks, gets some data about who's interacting with your website. People find it repellent. They click on other people instead. Google then removes or it reduces your quality score, and in order to hold the same position, you have to pay more. Now, I've worked on campaigns where clients have run their own stuff, and on a new account where you could pay $28 a click, I've had this client come to me, $76 a click in order for him to just hold position 4 so that he could have an appearance on page 1. And that's really because his website's so bad that he's repelled all these people, and Google has given them the most awful quality score, really, really bad. What you want to do is go the opposite way. Instead of a vicious cycle where the bad quality score means you have to pay more, which means that you're teaching Google that you're getting clicks by paying tons, and those people are still repelled, and then Google learns that really, let's make the quality score even lower so you have to pay even more. Instead of that, we need to go the other direction. We need to make the ads as good as possible, and that's really where you need to start, is make the ads as good as you can, and then make sure that your landing page aligns with what the ads say. So somebody clicks through from your ad, they have a good experience on the web page because it aligns with what you've said, whatever offer you're giving is actually there, talked about in the landing page, and people have a good experience and they think, yeah, this is what I wanted. Inquiry. And because they've made a good inquiry and they're happy with that, they're not clicking on the competitors, they're not doing other things, they're signifying to you, and more importantly to Google, that your ad and your landing page is awesome. And your quality score goes up. And when your quality score goes up, look at the equation again. Ad rank equals bid times quality score. And when you look at that, if your quality score goes up, then you can actually hold on to the top spot for less money. Comment down below, ask us questions, we're here to help. Smash that like button and hit the subscribe so that you get some updates about all of the stuff we've got coming out. We've got some great videos. Thanks very much.